do you get dressed with ease? I gave you 3 questions to ask of every piece of clothing in your closet. Have you worn it this season? Does it fit today? And do you love it? Have you asked yourself those 3 questions of every piece of clothing in your closet? How's it going? Where are you getting stuck? When you ask yourself those questions, what stories come up? What keeps you from moving forward? Ultimately, as a closet coach, I teach you that it is only the thoughts in our minds that keep us from attaining our goals. And becoming aware of what those thoughts are is step number 1. So when you come into your closet and you think, I want to get dressed with ease, but how do you finish that sentence? What is the but? What is it that keeps you from moving forward towards your goal? Also, when you step into your closet in the morning, what is the sentence that is running through your mind? What are the thoughts you have about getting dressed? Becoming aware of those thoughts is step number 1. Deciding if we like those thoughts is step number 2. And this is the best part because our thoughts are optional. We get to choose our thoughts. Our thoughts may seem very real. And I don't know if you're anything like me, a little dramatic sometimes. Yes, I am. But realizing that our dramatic thoughts that we have are optional is the most freeing thing that you can learn. So if you're considering that you don't like the thoughts you have when you step into your closet in the morning, what thoughts do you want to have? Also very exciting. How about I get dressed with ease? How about this is fun and easy? How about I love going into my wardrobe because it is beautiful and it's a reflection of how I want to show up in the world. I want this for you. I want this for every woman to enjoy the process of getting dressed. It's a concept I teach inside of my closet coaching program, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. Not only do I teach you the concepts, the step-by-step process of how to get there, but I'm also there to coach you. I'm also there to help you, to hold your hand, to encourage you, to cheer you on. My name is Heidi. I'm a closet coach. I help women to get dressed with ease. Let's do this. I can't wait to work with you inside of the program.